The app Cyberbirds is created with the motive to educate our young children about the cybersecurity awareness and protect them from cybersecurity threats. This game is based on popular game Angry Bird and it shows with the level 2 gaming style where level 1 consists of 5 MCQ, 5 true false questions. User need to clear the level 1 to move to the level 2 which contains 10 MCQ part questions and the question appears when the user hits the pick. Let's enjoy the game and see the demo.